Good day, Philippines! Every day, we give you the latest and biggest news 24/7. This is our special report featuring the Green Earth Society, talking about waste management even during this time of pandemic. Good morning to our chemical and waste expert, Ms. Jamie Melgar. Moving on, let me ask you a question. What is waste management all about?
Waste generation is closely linked to the level of economic activity in a country and reflects society's production and consumption patterns. A reduction in the volume of waste generated per unit of GDP is an indication of the economy's move towards less material-intensive production patterns. And the worst side is that it gives problems like air pollution, climate change, soil and water contamination. Poor waste management contributes to climate change and air pollution. And it directly affects many ecosystems and species. Landfills, considered the last resort in the waste hierarchy, release methane, a very powerful greenhouse gas linked to climate change.
So, why is waste a problem to our world?
Pollution of soil. Waste can leak hazardous chemicals into the soil and from there into our food. Air pollution. The burning of waste at landfills release toxic substances into the air, including extremely poisoning dioxin. Pollution of oceans. 13 million tons of plastic end up in the world's oceans each year.
Thank you so much for that information, Ms. Jamie Melgar. Mr. and Mrs. Andalini are here with me. They lived in a landfill before GES relocate them in a safe and more eco-friendly environment. And they are here to share with us.
Hello, good morning. It was hard for us to stay there. It was a really bad experience. The wastes in that film made us really sick.
We didn't have a choice. We are poor and we cannot afford any new places to stay. And I'm very thankful that Green Earth Society helped us. That's landfill and full of garbage is really bad for our health, and its causes is air and water pollution.
So, what are the different things you did to practice waste management?
We practiced saving leftovers for the next day instead of throwing them away.
We also buy things in bulk with less packaging.
Wow, that was really impressive. Let us now hear from our governor who partnered with GES to put this crisis to an end.
Our best solution is waste management and recycling of the solid waste. Recycling is the process of converting into some new or usable products, thereby preventing into waste disposal. Obviously, landfill method of disposal has many limitations. Landfills are likely to cause air, water, and land pollution in spite of utmost care taken. Here are two volunteers from GES to explain the waste management.
I hope that we have learned from our past mistakes, but to save Mother Earth so we could save ourselves and have a better future. That is all for our today's special report.
Waste management was introduced by Corbin Morris in 1751 and Edwin Chadwick in 1842, who reported on the issue which became a widespread as he was an influential person at that time. Waste management involves the regular collection, transportation, as well as processing and disposal, or recycling and monitoring of different types of waste materials. These services can save your business a considerable amount of money and can also prevent the environment from being harmed.
Helping to solve this problem or making an action to solve this is also a way to achieve the goal 13 of the SDG, which is climate change. But what is SDG? The Sustainable Development Goals, or Global Goals, are a set of 17 interlinked goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. If we'll start to do this, we'll give benefits to the United Nations, to our world, and especially to us.